Today we're going to be doing a hair makeover on Taylor, and I did not get a clip of how her hair looked before, so I have this little cute clip of her from Easter that I wanted to insert here. You can see how dark her hair is, so we will just be adding some blonde to it. So here I just put a cap on Taylor's head, which came out of a Revlon box, but unfortunately all the products weren't in that box, so we didn't get to use it, but we did use this cap. You can pick one of these up from Sally's, as well as the little tool to pull it through. For Taylor's hair today, I'm using the Prism Lites in Violet, and with that, for the developer, I just use the 20 volume developer cream, and I just follow these rules that are on the back just because I am a little newer to this product. Usually I use the Revlon products, but today when she bought the box, it didn't have everything in it, so I had to go back to this one. But basically just what it says right here is what I follow, the salon directions, and on the second line, it just says, well, from the first going into the second, in a ratio of 1 scoop of powder to 2 scoops of developer in a non-metallic bowl. So that's what I did with this. I also got this little purple brush from Sally's. It was like $1.99, and I mixed everything up in a little container that I had, and I just apply this all over her hair. When I'm done applying all of the product, I just take this plastic wrap and put it all over the hair. This will help the blonde to develop a little bit faster. It'll keep all of the heat locked in and just help to get the best blonde possible. Okay, so Taylor has washed out her hair. We let it process for about 45 minutes, and I am just going through and blow drying each section before I put a little bit of serum in it, and I'm going to style it up for her. And here is our finished result. Needless to say, she was so happy with it, and I was so impressed with that Prism Lites. I did not even have to use a toner. It was not too brassy. So all in all, we were really happy with how this turned out, and I'm so glad she loves it.